Automotive Locksmith Services. Solving problems, helping people. With advancements in automotive locking technologies, it is more complicated than ever for the modern locksmith to meet the needs of the automotive market. Whether it is broken key extractions, ignition repairs, transponder keys, key duplicating, lock repair, emergency lockouts, 24-hour locksmith, lock replacement, or lost keys. The locksmith of today needs to be prepared for anything. With modern advancements in automotive technologies, the automotive locksmith has to be able to stay up to date and has to keep on hand all of the latest tools in automotive locksmith technologies. This includes a fully stocked locksmith van filled with a variety of different transponder keys, automotive locks, and all of the right tools for the different applications.